People who live on Luke Street in Athens say the flooding on their historic block has gotten so bad in the past. Recent rains are once again causing them stress.
Athens city officials have been in the area most of the day cleaning the ditches of debris, but the residents say it's the new development and construction around them that's causing the washout. News 19's Archie Snowden spoke to one resident who says she's already spent thousands in flood damage repairs.
It messed up my unit. I didn't have no air. I didn't even have no heat.
Sharon Wilson of Luke Street says the flooding from the heavy rains from this past summer destroyed her heating and air conditioning unit as well as the insulation in her crawl space.
I had to end up getting a brand new unit. So did nobody try? They didn't try to come out and see about it.
Wilson takes care of her very sick mother. This video from the last time there was torrential rains trapped her and her mother from leaving the home. Ms. Wilson and the residents on Luke Street in Athens fear that the predicted rainy days ahead will cause further flooding issues. They have taken their concerns to city council meetings, and while new construction continues around their historic block, the flooding conditions seem to worsen.
And somebody needs to step up and tell the truth and answer and try to help and get it fixed.
Ms. Wilson says that the flooding here is so bad at times that she can't get her elderly disabled mother to her doctor's appointments. Well, right now the flooding is pretty tame, but she fears it could get worse. Athens city officials and cleanup crews have been in the area throughout the day after cleaning the ditches, but residents claim the flooding didn't start until the new construction began.
Mr. Lucas, he rode by today looking, and he came early part, but he need to come back like now and see so he can see what's going on along with the mayor. It's not over with and it's not fixed.
In Athens, Archie Snowden, News 19.